What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Emma, and I am back with another video, you guys. So today, y'all, I'm gonna be pranking my boyfriend today. As you can see, he's not with me. He's in the living room talking to his cousins, like always. Out loud. Can you hear me? Yeah. So today, I already pranked him for the day, so we still have nothing close him because I already pranked him for the day. We literally just came from Walmart. So he's definitely not gonna expect that I'm pranking him again, you know what I'm saying? So today, what I'm gonna be doing is I got this blood from Amazon, y'all. I've been wanting to this prank for the longest. Been had this blood. Been hiding it from him. I'm about to put this blood in my mouth. And I'm gonna put it in my mouth and stuff like that. I don't think you're supposed to put this blood in your mouth and stuff. But I'm gonna put it in my mouth for like a quick second and then spit it out and cough it out so I can see his reaction, y'all. So yes, I'm not gonna talk a lot because you know I don't like to talk a lot anyway. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and think. I just want to say thank you guys for 600 subscribers. Literally, like, y'all gotta finish watch the videos, y'all, because we need to have y'all watch the hours. Like, we got the weekend the subscribers, but y'all gotta watch the video all the way so we get the watch hours, y'all. So before you get into this video, don't forget to go to teamwellfashion.com. So you can support us on there. Follow us on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok because I don't have Instagram. Don't forget to follow on TikTok. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And yes, I don't think I'm supposed to put this. I don't think I'm supposed to put this in my mouth, y'all. But it's gonna be for a quick second because clearly. Because do not use chemical blood in mouth. Oh fuck. Do not use chemical blood in mouth or near the eyes. This is not a Popo. Do not drink. It says do not use in mouth, y'all. So what do? I do? Oh my god. Let's get this video a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel. Make sure your notification bell is on so you can know every time we post a video, you guys. So yes, let's get into this video.
S'il vous plaît.
It's in a drawer.
Rien pas de là.
Mais tu vas dans le drawer, la machine là.
Non, je ne pas aller là.
I la valise up here, baby. I don't know where it's at.
It's in your bag right here. But yeah, wait, man. Moi-même, ça me fait me faire, hein. Couper, comme si la chef bas blanc. Well, though.
What?
Bring that in. Okay. Some reflection about how I was yesterday. Avec Jean-Michel Kounia, regardez pas blanc bien pour elle.
Yeah, it's good.
J'aime bien.
You look good.
J'aime bien.
You look handsome, baby.
Pour les pouvoirs.
Your jewelry's in the inside. Everything's inside there. I put the pen stuff in there. Everything's in there. You say what?
What you do?
Babe, I think it's done.
You sure?
It says, come see.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay, they are here now.
Stop.
What the fuck?
Babe, babe.
wrong? That's my fault. Call 911.
Stop.
Hold on.
Stop. I play.
What the fuck you mean you playing? No, then let me call 911 for real.
Don't call the woman.
No.
Wait, give me some water.
What is wrong with you
Give me
though?
some water. Give me some water, please. Just give me some water.
Why you coughing blood?
What the hell? Babe. What the fuck?
No shit. Let me call your mom.
No, stop.
No. I can't deal with this shit right now. Oh my god. No.
I told you I didn't feel good all day. I told you I didn't feel good all day. I told you I didn't feel good all day.
Mommy! Come here là. Où était? Où va être là? M'ba comme si elle m'a point ou bien.
Stop. Don't call her and tell her that.
What is wrong with you, baby? Huh?
Stop. Why would you call my mom for that?
Depuis matin, I've been en forme. I don't know what. I don't know. I think. Mommy, va aller l'ambulance pour les là. What is wrong with you? Are you really coughing blood?
Yeah, I don't feel good. I've been to my head hurt.
Tell her, mommy, vamos à l'ambulance somewhere. Vamos à l'ambulance, mommy, tell her.
Baby, it work. E ba pou, nou mwen de apok la pou an de apok la. E an skire lopi tu. Tell me.
Why you even play like that? Let me tell him I will go back. M'ba faire ce n'est pas maintenant là. Why would you even play like that?
You're like, why you call 911?
Cause what the fuck? You think I was gonna let you die in here and then don't call 911? And then guess who was gonna go to prison? Me. Me.
Say hi to my friend. Look at my camera over there. So,
My face ashy and everything. I was washing my face, bro. Oh my
calling
god.
somebody.
Oh my god. Oh, what the hell?
My mouth ashy as hell. Don't forget to subscribe,
Like,
comment, and make sure you're what?
turn on the notification bell. Bing!